Hey guys, Fix It Felix here. If you're having trouble locating and replacing the TCM, which is the transmission control module for a 2009 Nissan Quest, stay tuned and I'm going to show you where is it located and how to remove it. Alright, so what you have to do is you should come here and open the glove box, and there's going to be two screws right here, one here and one here. You got to remove those two. And then there's also three right here. This 1, 2, and 3. I already removed them using a Phillips screwdriver. Once you remove them, you can just pull this back and it should come out. Let me see. There. You gotta be careful because there's this little cable right here for the light. So with one hand you can hold the glove box, and with the other hand you can just twist the little clip and it comes out. So once you remove this, you can already just put it on the side somewhere. Since we are going to be dealing with electrical parts, it's also good to remove the negative terminal, which is the negative cable right here, the black one. It's already loose, I already loosened it up. So just remove it and just put it on the side. Make sure it doesn't touch anything that's metal. Okay, next you can come here, and there it is right there. That's the TCM. This right here. So what you have to do is, using a 10mm socket, you can remove this nut that goes here and it comes out. It's already loose for me because I already removed the nuts. And there's another one right here. This one you don't have to take it out all the way, just a little bit. And once you do that, you can just pull this out and then just pull up and it should come out. Okay, then right here, there's these two connectors. You gotta push, let me see, you gotta push and pull. And right here, you do the same with this one, push and pull. I'm gonna see if I can do it with one hand. Push and pull, hold on. Okay, there goes one, then the other one. And there goes the other one. All right, now this is the hardest part, this sensor right here. I'll show you why. I'm going to show you on this one, the one I'm replacing it with. I'm going to show you what you have to do. All right, so this is the part I'm going to work on, just to show you guys. It's really hard to get out, that's for sure. So what you have to do is just pull this one a little bit out so you have more space, and using some small pliers or whatever you can find to fit here, you're going to have to push this down and then pull. Oh, hold on, let me show you. Push this down and then just wiggle this out and it should come out. There, it comes out. I know it seems easy, but it took me a while to do it. All right, so this is also a little bit tough to remove. So using a really small flathead screwdriver, what you have to do is you gotta put this right here inside, and there's a little clip. It's really hard to see, it's really small. So there's this clip right here where you have to push all the way up, and then boom, it comes out just like this. It seems easy, but it took me a while, like I said, to find out how to do it. So there it is. So there's the TCM, transmission control module. Some symptoms of a bad or failing TCM, it's like you get the check engine light on your dashboard, or the car is stuck on limp mode, which is also safe mode. You get problems shifting gears, and sometimes the car won't even accelerate. All right guys, and now to install back, it's really simple. Just put the two connectors on, put it where it should be, and then put the two nuts, tight everything down. Don't forget to put the glove box, of course. Put the, I think it was 5 screws that we removed, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you in any way. Please subscribe, like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions regarding other questions about cars or anything, just let me know down below. I'll be putting a video and answering all you guys' questions. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, peace.